Hi guys! Welcome to our vlog.
Ako si Minami.
And I'm Fred and we are
Frenami.
Frenami. So guys, for today's video, we will talk about
How
how much did we
spend?
did we how much did we spend on our wedding? I will say. Okay. How much did we spend on our wedding? Perfect. So, for today's video, we will talk about that matter. However, we appreciate if you watch our previous video before kayo mag-proceed dito sa video na to. Tama?
Tama.
So,
Ano tala, diba?
we're excited to share to all of you kung sino-sino yung naging part ng wedding namin at kung ano yung nangyari buong araw at magkano ang total na nagastos namin. Kaya samahan nyo kami. Tala! So, we will start with the details ng wedding namin, no? Start tayo. Kailan ba kami kinasal? Madaming nagigreet sa amin nung in-upload namin yung video ng wedding namin sa TikTok and sa Facebook. Baka akala nila kakakasal lang namin this year, but it was happened last year. So, ano yung date ng wedding natin, baby, if you remember?
I remember 2025 January 8.
Great!
Perfect. The location was in Timberland Highland Resort. It's a garden wedding. And then, our wedding motif was dusty blue and silver. On our last video, narinig ninyo that we spent a night before our wedding in Timberland Highland Resort. And then, nagpunta ako ng airport, pinick up ko yung gamit. And then, pagbalik ko, madaling araw na, almost 1 a.m. Nag-shower pa, nag-prepare pa ng kung ano-anong bagay. So, inabot na ako ng 3 a.m. We wake up early and then yung mata ko, namumula pa. That time, halatang walang tulog. Start na nag-makeup, no? We had a lot of bridesmaid and groomsmen. They came early to support our wedding and then we practice yung positioning ng mga sasayaw sa entourage. After that, makeup, we ate breakfast and then makeup again and then photoshoot with the groomsmen and bridesmaid. After kumain ng lunch, assembly ulit. So preparation, line up. Yung coordinator namin, assist yung mga bridesmaid and groomsmen kung ano yung gagawin nila, kung pang ilan sila, yung family ko din, and then yung family din ni Minami. Kasi yung communication, di ba? I'm worried that time kung paano i-explain ng coordinator namin, paano sila makikipag-communicate doon sa family ni Minami because Japanese nga. And then, yung coordinator namin, they're not speaking Japanese. Paano kaya masusundan yung instruction ng wedding coordinator namin ng family ni Minami? But how they understand the instruction, baby?
My family told me that it was everything okay, even they don't understand each other. I don't know why. Maybe they have feeling. 私のファミリーが言ってたのは言葉通じないけど伝えようと努力してくれた。こうやってボディーランゲージ使ったりトランスレーション使ったりゆっくり話したりそういうので even they don't understand they got what they point だから大丈夫だったって喋れなかったからこそなんか相手が頑張って努力して説明しようとしてくれてる努力してる姿とかフレンドリーな感じがすごく良かったっていう。
すごいね。Di ko din alam kung paano nila na-guide yung family ni Minami that time. Grabe. Support ninyo. Thank you. Later, papakilala namin kung sino yung coordinator namin. But, let's proceed with our story. So, yun. Na-guide ng coordinator namin yung mga principal sponsor, even my family. And then, the ceremony started. Ako yung nag-start maglakad. And then, last, si baby Minami was walking in the aisle habang tumutugtog yung Your Name in violin version. So, yun yung pinaka-memorable part sa buhay ko ngayon. Kung may uulit-ulitin man ako, yun. How about you, baby? How's the feeling? You're walking in the aisle, coming to the front.
普通カーテンが開いて真ん中を歩いていくのが感動するパートだと思うんだけど、私の場合はその前にメイドオブオーナーが歩いてる時とか、私の家族とかあなたの家族が歩いてる時がなんか一番感動した。なんか泣きそうになった。待って、今でも泣きそう。
Nung pinapanood ko yung pumapasok yung family ko, naglalakad papunta sa harap, hindi ko mapigilan yung iyak because of happiness. Tears of joy, kumbaga, sa wedding. After ceremony, nagpicture muna kami yung mga bridesmaid kasama namin. After nun, nag-start na kami pumunta sa reception area. And tuloy-tuloy na yun, konting retouch lang, makeup, and yun. Start na kami dun sa pinaka-event. Pagpasok ng entourage doon sa reception area. We dance. Pair by pair, yung mga bridesmaid and groomsmen namin. Last kaming dalawa. If you still remember what we dance.
なんか、なんとかガソリーナってやつ。
なんとかガソリーナ。ガソリーナだよ。We enjoy the moment nung nasa harap kami. And I hope na nag-enjoy din yung mga bridesmaid namin and groomsmen. Thank you. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Kung mapapanood nyo to ngayon, maraming salamat sa effort and time na nilaan ninyo para sa wedding namin. Love you all. After nung presentation, no, nag-ribbon cutting.
Huh?
Ribbon cutting. Ha?
リボンカッティングもそれさ、なんかビジネスオープンするときにさ、やるやつだよ。
It's cake cutting. It's cake cutting.
面白い。
And then, nagkaroon din kami ng wine toasting. We also have money ball, but it's not forced to our guests to give gift. I don't expect any gift at all. Really. Because I want to make it memorable. Kung ano man yung dala nila, gusto ko yung presence lang talaga. Because I want them to enjoy the moment. Baby, what's your expectation about the fishing bowl? How do you find it?
エクスペーションしてないよ。だってもともとフィリピンにはそういう文化がないっていうのは分かってたから。日本の場合はご祝儀って言ってお金を受け取るのが普通。そのお金の数も2万とか4万じゃなくて3万とか5万とか数が決まってるのね。2人の縁がこう分かれないように数は絶対3とか5とかっていうのが決まってるの。大体結婚式をするときってゲストが何人っていうのが決まってて、大体1人じゃ3万ずつもらうかなと思ったら、あ、このくらい予算があるから結婚式この規模にしよう、これくらいの結婚式にしようっていうふうに決めるわけよ。
なるほど。
そう、あなたのメイとか多い、がさ、イブンなんか10ペソか50ペソか、イブンちっちゃいマニだけどそれを私たちにくれてて、それがすごく感動しても可愛いなと思って。そんな貯めたお小遣いでさ、あげくれたからそれすごく嬉しかった。
So after nun, kain ng dinner and then inabot yung wedding namin ng 8 p.m. ka na. Experience, no? Kasi some of our Japanese guests, it's their first time to attend Philippine wedding. Did you ask them, how's the wedding?
いや、とにかく長いっていう。
After nun, 8 p.m., hindi kaagad kami natapos nun. Pagbalik namin doon sa room namin, nag-open kami ng mga gift na na-receive namin. After nun, tulog, pagod, we slept. So yun, doon lang nag-end yung wedding day namin. Let's proceed. Sino-sino ba yung naging part ng wedding namin? We're excited to share kung sino-sino sila. Siyempre, we start Timberland Highland Resort. So ano-ano ba yung inabil namin sa kanila during that time? Wedding location, reception, lights and sound, florist, catering, wedding cake, gracing table. Aside doon, yung breakfast and lunch ng bridesmaid, groomsmen, and families namin. And then, yung layout ng garden wedding. Take note, hindi namin sa kanila inavail yung mga beer para sa Japanese guests namin. We bought it sa SM. Aside doon sa Timberland Highland Resort, naging part din ng wedding namin yung GKF. Sila yung magigiting na wedding coordinator namin. Iba't ibang support yung nabigay nila sa amin. Start doon sa food tasting hanggang doon sa end ng wedding. Best support we had. Sila yung lahat overall from the start to end yung nagbigay ng excitement sa mga guests namin. Hindi naging dull yung moment ng wedding namin. So maraming salamat sa inyo. The next is yung photo and video supplier namin, which is yung G Creative. Sila lang naman yung gumawa ng prenup video namin and same day edit video namin. So, sila talaga yung pinaka-highlight doon sa wedding reception namin, no? Kasi yun yung talaga yung pinaka-aabangan ng mga guests namin. Hindi kami nabigo sa expected output. The next musician namin, no? Sino ba yung mga tumugtog? Sino ba yung nag-play ng violin that time? So, sila lang naman yung SND crossover band. Nakita ko sila doon sa wedding fair sa Mega Mall. Doon lang kami nagkakilala. And then next po, sino ba yung naging makeup artist ng wedding namin? Yung Jorem's Hair and Makeup Artistry. Maraming salamat po. So aside doon, we also bought souvenirs for our principal guest. So saan namin siya binili? Sa Laxel. Aside doon, bumili din kami para sa mga guest attendees namin ng pamaypay, yung sensu. Yan, doon sa Rakim Shop sa TikTok. Nakita ko ang ganda ng gawa nila, online lang lahat. Maraming salamat po, Rakim Shop. So the gift for our bridesmaid, we bought it in Kultura. And then for the groomsmen, I bought it in G-Line. Maraming salamat sa G-Line and sa Kultura. Then next po, sa nagprint ng mga message namin dun sa table, maraming salamat sa GDP Printing Services. Yan. For the discount. Maraming salamat. We rent the wedding dress and bridesmaid and groomsmen suits in Love Bride Wedding Gown Rental located in Rodriguez Rizal. Yung type ng wedding dress ni Minami was inspired sa Terno Filipiniana. You're the one to choose that, di ba?
そのスタイルは日本にはないから、やっぱフィリピンで結婚式するんだったら、せっかくだからフィリピンのスタイルで結婚式したいと思って、それを選んだ。
Next, doon naman sa aking suits sa Trahe Manila. Maraming salamat po, ma'am. Doon sa invitation namin. Yung invitation namin was digital. Sa Perfect Day Digital. Maraming salamat po. Doon naman sa selfie mirror, photo gallery, and seating arrangement doon. Meron kaming mga printed na malalaki para sa guide ng guest namin kung saan sila uupo. Provided lahat yon ng reflection and memories. Maraming salamat po, ma'am. Thank you po. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng supplier namin. Hindi nabuo yung wedding namin kung hindi dahil sa inyo. Maraming salamat. Then next, let's proceed.
Love you.
Oh my God. Maraming salamat po. Love. Ito na yung pinaka-excitement part, no? Dito na namin sasagutin yung how much did we spend on our wedding day? Nagkakahalaga lang naman siya ng 1,050,000 pesos. Inabot ng 1,050,000 yung wedding namin and hindi ko siya masasabi na mabigat sa bulsa kasi it's once in a lifetime experiences lang sa buhay ko and sa buhay ni Minami, and I want to give the best wedding to my wife. Expensive man siya kung titingnan, pero yung memories na dinulot noon, hindi lang sa amin, pati din doon sa mga nakapanood at sa mga umattend ng wedding namin is walang katumbas na halaga. Para sa asawa ko yun eh. Para sa family ko. Para sa mga kaibigan ko. Yun lang. Eto baby, I want to ask you, how's the wedding?
フィリピンの結婚式はサプライヤーがいて、ゲストがいて、プランナーがいて、結婚式場があって、私たちがいて、もう全員で結婚式を作ってる感じがあって、すごくあったかくて、思い出にすごく残る結婚式だったなっていうふうに思う。日本の場合は新郎新婦とプランナーがいろいろと決めて、時間もぴっちり何時から何時、何時から何時みたいな形でスケジュール化されているような結婚式だから、全てがスタイリッシュでスムーズな結婚式。日本の結婚式もすごくいいと思うんだけど、思い出に残るような結婚式ってだったらフィリピンの方なのかなって私的には思う。今でも思い出すと泣けるぐらいすごく感動した結婚式だったなっていうふうに思う。
Arigato.
Arigato, baby.
So yun lang po. Maraming salamat nga sa lahat ng umattend sa wedding namin. Pati din sa mga suppliers and sa mga nag-support sa wedding namin. Napakaganda ng araw na yun. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. So yun lang po. Di na namin ito papatagalin. Hanggang dito na lang ang aming upload for tonight's video. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Ingat! See you on our next vlog. Bye!